Below are the basic operating procedures for the DA53Tx press brake machine system. In the product interface, click New to create a drawing. The program option is a mode that does not include the drawing function and allows direct programming. Select Product, enter its name. Set the plate thickness. Choose the plate type. And input the bending width. Select the inner or outer size. Click Accept to enter 2D drawing mode. Click to easily set the bending shape, click Numbers to modify bending parameters, and click Angles to set the bending angle. You can zoom in or out on the graphics. Click Delete Surface to remove the selected parameters. After editing, proceed to the next step, Mold Settings. Select Punch can choose the upper die. Select Die can choose the upper die. After setup, click Bend Sequence to run the bending simulation. Click Program to modify bending parameters. The system now automatically calculates default values. Select Auto and click Run to bend. Above is the automatic mode. Below is the manual mode. They represent two different logic approaches. In the manual interface, the method option selects the bending type, including standard bending, flanging bending, or bottom pressing bending. Bending length parameter sets the bending distance. Product position refers to positioning, which is automatically calculated by the system and defaults to the middle. Angle is the bending angle setting. Alpha 1 and Alpha 2 are bending angle compensations, with both positive and negative values allowed. For a 90-degree bend, if the measured angle after bending is 88, plus 2-degree compensation can be applied. This is the target value for Y1/Y2. Mute is the speed transition point. Upon reaching it, the speed decreases gradually. Opening is the distance of the return path opening. Force is the bending tonnage setting. Dwell time is the pressure maintenance duration. Decompression is the unloading distance for the slow return trip, automatically calculated by the system. This is the speed of the slow down. Decomp speed refers to the speed of the slow return. On the right side, you can set panel thickness, panel type, mold settings, x-axis distance, retract distance, and upper/lower r-axis settings. The deflect compensation value for the motor is automatically calculated by the system. If insufficient, it can be manually adjusted. Lay-in refers to the selection of a first-level or second-level finger stoppers. In the Settings interface, you can configure various system settings, including unit system, tonnage, system language, keyboard switching, alarm sound, and display layout on the left and right sides of the menu bar. Materials refer to the configuration of material parameters. Backup/restore refers to the process of backing up and restoring system parameters. These are the system's default parameters. In time settings, you can configure the system time and time format. The above provides a basic introduction and operational guide for the DA53Tx press brake machine system.